Are you or your loved one experiencing a bad mood, apathy, lack of motivation, insomnia, and loss of energy? These could be signs of stress, depression, and anxiety, which can lead to emotional distress, decreased performance, and difficulty in interacting with others. Stress is an integral part of modern life, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems. Clinical studies have shown that iridotherapy can have a positive impact on patients with depression, anxiety, and constant stress. In one study, 29 patients with frequent headaches, constant stress, and depression underwent a course of Leech therapy. After just 2 sessions, 27 out of 29 patients noted a disappearance of headaches. In addition, depression and anxiety indicators decreased in 25 out of 29 patients. Based on clinical studies, sessions of Leech therapy have pronounced antidepressant and anti-stress effects. Iridotherapy has a muscle relaxant effect, improves microcirculation, and reduces hypoxia of tense muscles, which can help the body relax, normalizes sleep, and brings peace and comfort. Studies have also shown that Leech saliva can restore human energy fields, improve the work of chakras, and balance human energy. If you are experiencing symptoms of stress, depression, or anxiety, Leech therapy may be a safe and effective solution. Please call Rossi's Leech Therapy for more information or to schedule your appointment.